Hello everyone! For today's episode I prepared a light chicken dinner recipe that is packed with proteins, minerals and is also gluten-free. For this recipe I used the following ingredients: 500 grams sliced brown champignon mushrooms, 1 garlic clove, 50 milliliters vegetable oil, 8 grams cornstarch, half a teaspoon thyme, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, fresh parsley, 80 grams diced onion, 50 grams Parmesan cheese, 450 grams chicken breast, 30 milliliters lemon juice, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 40 grams butter, and 150 milliliters cold milk. I will start making the marinade by adding 30 milliliters vegetable oil. Then I will add garlic powder, lemon juice, black pepper, cayenne pepper, dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon salt. We will mix all ingredients well and then add the chicken breast into the marinade, leaving it for 1 hour. We will take a baking form, put baking paper and then the chicken breast, which we are going to top with grated Parmesan. When done, place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Until the chicken is done, take a bowl, add cornstarch and cold milk over, together with 1 pressed garlic clove, and whisk. We will now heat up a wok or pan and add 1 tablespoon oil together with the diced onion and 1 teaspoon sugar, frying it on low heat for 10 minutes. After a couple of minutes, add 1 tablespoon water and stir to avoid burning the sugar. After this, our onion should be almost done and tender. Now add butter, the mushroom slices, 1 teaspoon salt, pepper, thyme, and mix everything, cooking on medium heat for about 8 minutes until the mushrooms drop in size. It's time now to add our milk and cornstarch mixture to the pan and cook it for 3 minutes until we have a smooth and thick sauce. Our chicken breast is also done by now, so just add some fresh parsley over the mushrooms and enjoy your dinner. Till next time.